Hey everybody, I'm going to share with you the simplest way I know to download all of the images from your website, no matter what website it is, by just specifying the URLs. So first of all, you're going to go to apify.com and create a new account. You can use the free plan to begin with. You're going to go to the App Store and type in bulk image downloader and try for free. I clicked on try for free and I'm in the app itself. It's very, very easy. All you do is specify two things. One is the URLs you want to find all of the images on, and the second one is the settings. So first of all, I specified URLs. For example, I want to download all of the images from our OneScales website and one of our articles, but you can specify more and more. You can click on the add one by one, or if you have in bulk, let's say you have 10,000 URLs you want to download, you click on bulk edit and you copy paste them row by row by row and click on set. Then you're going to specify the settings. Do I want a list of all of the URLs one by one so I can just download them by myself? Or do I want to take all of the images and zip it in one zip file or one zip file per URL that I specified above? The last part is you need to specify the rest of the settings. First of all, do you want to take all of the images just from the HTML, or do you want to load the JavaScript in case JavaScript loads additional URLs? Note that if you do with JavaScript, it is much slower, and if you only take from the HTML, it is much faster, but you can specify that in your settings. Then you specify the resolution. Do you want to load just the mobile page or the desktop page? And in some cases, the mobile and desktop page images sizing will be different, so please note that as well. And if you are a little technical, sometimes websites have a source set which specifies that one image can be made in many, many different resolutions for all of the different devices. Okay, once you do that, you just click on Start, and I specified in this case one zip file. You wait a few seconds to a few minutes depending on how many URLs you are scanning, and once it's finished, you will have the output below. Okay, so it finished. Now I can go to the bottom and see the results. I have a URL here to download the zip file, and what I like to do is export to CSV, so I can open it in Excel or Google Sheets. I click on download, and you can see an example right here. I have two examples to show you how the export works. Number one is if you specified only one zip file, you will have the file name and just the URL and the size of the zip file. I can click here, load in my browser, and just download the zip file. If I specified that I want just a list of the URLs, I can see them row by row by row. That's it. The app is very, very simple, and it runs all the downloads for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this app. Please try it out. Let us know what you think about it. Let us know if you want us to improve anything. And if you really did like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend or colleague. Much, much appreciated. The link will be in the description below. Thanks.